Hi guys, thank you for choosing to watch another video. Well, we're back out on the bank and I'm back from Australia. So this is a bit of a shock to my system, it being this cold. Why? Where's the 30-degree sun gone? Now, I'm out with a friend Bogdan today and we're trying a new bit of river. We're fishing the River Stour. So it's fairly close to me, it's the Suffolk Stour. Never fished it before, but we're gonna give it a go. Hoping for some perch, pike, chub, whatever's going to take our lure. There is a slight rumour of a zander in here, although I don't believe it at all. As always guys, we're fishing with my trusty BFS setup. And this time we're fishing Texas rig, see my little Texas right there, and creech baits. We're using a rotation of lures, trying some snapper, wedgies, we're trying micro squirms. We're going to try a load of lures, we're just going to try and get a few bites. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll start rolling the clips. Oh, he's done it.
You cut it.
Huh?
You cut my...
I should cut your line. Sorry, that just looked really good. Oh, it's just as she was jumping, that photo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You do it again?
Yeah, let's do another, yeah. Sorry.
Nice. Hold on.
Oh, she's a wild one. Yeah, that's good. Yes. I mean, I got it.
Pike?
Yeah, pike. Come on.
Huh?
I got it. Come on, get your head up. Yes! Haven't blanked. Oh, great fun on a light rod. Ooh. Oh guys, well look at that. Lovely pike. Great fun on the ultralight setup. No, it's not huge, but when you're fishing 1 to 7 gram, that's what you want. We'll get this boy back. He's covered in leeches. Although I might be covered in leeches after that now. So let's get him back. Hopefully I don't fall down here. That'd be funny on camera, wouldn't it? Are you going to rate my net release? Right under. And that's where they live. That's a fish. Hey, number 2.
Hey.
Fucking lunatics, aren't they?
Crocodile. Little crocodile.
They're all quite chunky in here though, these little pike, aren't they? Oh, do you want a quick photo?
Yeah, with the camera, bro. With the phone.
Come on. There you go.
That's it.
Oh, as it came off. Huh?
Nice head shakes.
Oh, it might have been a perch.
Yeah, that's it. It's a big one. Can you use your net?
Yep, let me put this down. Get out of there.
Come.
He's in. Well done, mate. Look at you go.
I told you it's here.
Oh, and he's going berserk again.
No.
Oh, no, that's a nice one.
So fucking aggressive.
Looks good in the sun as well. Don't show your wife. Hey! Oh! It's a big pike. You got it? Nice. Well done, mate. Pike number 4.
But this one, he took it nice. Stay. You cheeky bastard.
Hey, yo. Nice. Very nice, mate.
And this time I have a trace.
Oh, you put a trace on. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was sure fun to make and it was nice to meet Buckman. Only managed for 1 pike for myself. Buckman managed a few more. He beat me. He showed me how it's done. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Didn't like that. Well, there you go guys, that's the end of the session. Really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, smash the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought. And of course, are you out? Are you trying for the perch before the close? How you doing? Any luck? Not so lucky for me so far. Of course, if you enjoyed as well, smash that subscribe button and stick around. It means so much to me for every single one of you that subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time in the next installment.